guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Jessica and we do family vlogging, a mix of sit-down videos, toy videos, things like that. So today you are probably wondering what the heck I won. And no, I didn't win a giveaway this time, but I won something even better, which was my appeal case where I've been fighting for my health insurance. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're interested to hear more, I will have two videos linked below. The first one will be talking about where I was wrongfully canceled of my health insurance, and then the second is an update where I talk about how I am still fighting for my health insurance, which I posted about a week ago. So fast forward to today, I have health insurance back as of August 1st, and I also just heard that today my insurance will be retroactive, meaning they will change my insurance start date from way back to January when it was canceled. So 3 days ago, I got a call from a representative at Providence who was super nice, and she was just really empathetic, and she told me that she was doing whatever she could to help me get this all situated and to get me health insurance. She mentioned that she thought that I should be able to get special enrollment so that I could at least start having coverage as of August 1st while I'm still continuing to fight for that insurance to be retroactive. So I had let her know that I had already tried that and that I was told I was not eligible for that. So she gave me a couple different numbers and told me a different way to go about it, and she just said, I really think you should try this out. She said, otherwise right now my hands are tied, there's not much more that I can do. She was really nice. And I thought it was a little weird because since my insurance had been canceled back in January, no one from Providence ever tried calling me. In fact, I mean, Providence never even let me know that my insurance was canceled. I only found out when I was trying to make a payment over the phone. But anyways, so I thought that was a little strange. I was like, that seems kind of weird. But I also knew that I've been working a little bit with the state insurance commissioner, so I thought maybe that had something to do with it. Or maybe Providence, I mean, they probably knew that I was fighting, or that I had opened up an appeal. So I guess they probably obviously knew, and that was kind of what I was thinking, is they might be getting in trouble, or they might have heard that, I'm trying to get my health insurance back. And she was in the appeals department, but she was super nice, and she just gave me some really great information. So I took her advice and I called back the marketplace, and I was able to talk to the correct person who I can't even talk, who basically said that yes, I was eligible for a special enrollment, meaning that I could go ahead and sign up for health insurance that day, even though they were not having open enrollment at the time. So I was on the phone for about an hour with that gentleman. He helped me sign up, and at first he said that he would be able to make the start date of my insurance retroactive so that it was starting back in January. But once we got to the end of the application and everything, he said that he could not actually do that. I can't remember why he explained. He just said he has to go a certain way about it, since I already have an open appeal that is working on getting that retroactive insurance for me. He could not go ahead and override that. Made sense to me. So I thought, it could still be up to 60 days or so before I heard anything. But I was just super excited to know that I would be having health insurance coverage starting in August. So I was happy with that, and I was going to continue to fight to get it retroactive, because obviously if I was able to win that case, or get special enrollment, and Providence was basically saying they knew that they screwed up, there would be no issue for me to get the insurance retroactive. But I just know along the way that it's been all tricky and everything, so So today I got a phone call from the insurance commissioner. He was checking in with me, and when I let him know that I just got special enrollment and that I'll have health insurance, he was super excited. He said that he had been working really hard with a representative in his team who was working with someone from Providence, which made sense how I got the phone call, because they were all working together trying to get this all figured out for me. So that was really awesome. And then when I let him know that the marketplace gentleman said that I kind of have to wait and see if I can get the retroactive insurance. The guy from the Oregon Commissioner office was able to pull up some stuff, and he said, hey, guess what? Here's the letter right here that I'm looking at, and it says that your request was accepted for the retroactive insurance. So I'm really, really excited. I have some health bills. If I didn't have any medical bills during the last 6 months, I would probably just say screw it. I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. I will just have brand new fresh insurance starting in August. But I do have some medical bills, and just for the simple fact that I didn't want them to get away with this, you know? So I was super excited to hear that my insurance is now retroactive, meaning it's going to be as if I had insurance from when it got wrongfully canceled. And I kind of, yeah, so I'm happy. And I just wanted to update those few of you who have been interested to hear about that. This is also an easier way for me to just update any of my family members that have been kind of following along. And thanks for listening, guys. So I am excited. Today is Friday, and you can expect a normal or normal-ish vlog for tomorrow. And thanks for listening, guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!